Hello everyone, my beautiful people. How are you? Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today I am back with very beautiful and amazing and latest collection of Pixie haircuts. If you like my video and if you are new on my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And let me know in the comments how did you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.